What if I told you that you could build strength, boost your energy, and stay fit for life without ever stepping foot inside a gym? No memberships, no machines, no intimidating workouts. Just you, your body, and a few smart habits that can transform the way you look and feel at any age. You might think that staying fit means hours of heavy lifting, complicated diets, or running miles every day. But the truth is, fitness isn't about where you train. It's about how you live. Whether you're in your 20s, 40s, 60s, or beyond, your body is designed to move. And today I'm going to show you how to stay fit without a gym, in a way that's simple, realistic, and sustainable for everyone. So, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a full plan that fits your life and actually feels good to do. Now, let's start with the biggest myth that you need equipment or a gym to get results. Think about it, your body is already the best workout tool you have. Every time you walk, stretch, lift something, or even stand up from a chair, you're training your muscles. The trick is learning how to use your body in ways that challenge it just enough to grow stronger without pushing it too hard. So if you've been skipping fitness because you don't have access to a gym or don't feel comfortable there, take a breath, because everything you need to stay healthy is already within your reach. One of the most powerful ways to stay fit anywhere, at any age, is simply walking. It sounds basic, but walking is one of the most underrated exercises out there. It strengthens your heart, boosts circulation, supports your joints, and even helps balance your mood. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, at home, at work, at the park, or even while talking on the phone. Aim to walk at least 30 minutes a day. You don't have to do it all at once. Break it up into shorter walks. 10 minutes after breakfast, 10 after lunch, 10 after dinner, and you've hit your goal without even realizing it. For extra benefit, try walking briskly, swinging your arms, or walking uphill. It's low impact, easy on your knees, and builds endurance over time. Next up is strength. Because no matter your age, muscle is your best friend. It keeps you strong, improves posture, burns calories, and protects your bones. But you don't need dumbbells to build it. Bodyweight exercises are incredibly effective. Start with squats, push-ups, and planks. If you're a beginner, modify them. Do squats using a chair, wall push-ups instead of floor ones, and short plank holds for 10 seconds at a time. Consistency matters more than intensity. The goal isn't to break a sweat until you drop. It's to build strength slowly and steadily. You can even turn daily activities into strength training. Carry groceries with good posture, lift small items around the house like water bottles, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Every little effort counts. Flexibility is another piece of the puzzle that most people forget. As we age, our muscles naturally tighten, and our range of motion shrinks, which can lead to stiffness, back pain, or even injuries. So make stretching a daily ritual. Right after waking up, spend 5 minutes doing simple stretches. Reach for the ceiling. Roll your shoulders, twist your torso gently, and touch your toes. Deep breathing while you stretch helps your body relax and your blood flow increase. Yoga and Tai Chi are also amazing for flexibility, balance, and mindfulness. And you can find hundreds of free routines online that fit your age and level. Now let's talk about balance, both physical and mental. Physical balance keeps you safe from falls, especially as you get older, and mental balance keeps you consistent. Practicing balance exercises, even simple ones, makes a huge difference. Try standing on one foot while brushing your teeth, or lift one leg slightly while cooking. Small moves, big impact. For mental balance, find a rhythm that works for your life. You don't have to train every day. Even 3 or 4 days a week of focused movement will change your body. What matters most is consistency. Of course, staying fit isn't just about moving, it's also about what you eat. You've probably heard it 100 times, but your diet is the foundation of your health. You can't out-exercise poor eating habits. The good news is, eating right doesn't mean starving yourself or following complicated meal plans. Focus on balance and color. Fill your plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid overly processed foods, refined sugars, and deep-fried snacks. If it comes in a box or bag with 20 ingredients, it's probably not helping your body. Hydration is another simple, yet powerful habit. Your muscles, brain, and joints all depend on water to function properly. Dehydration can make you feel tired, cause headaches, and slow down your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And if you're sweating more or live in a hot climate, drink a little extra. A small tip, start your morning with a glass of water before coffee or tea. It wakes up your body naturally. Sleep might not sound like fitness advice, but it's one of the most important parts of recovery. No matter your age, your body repairs itself when you rest. Poor sleep increases stress hormones, slows metabolism, and makes you crave junk food. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Keep your bedroom dark and cool, and put your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. Good sleep is like hitting the reset button for your body. Now, let's talk motivation, because the biggest challenge most people face isn't knowing what to do, it's actually doing it. Maybe you've tried before and stopped. maybe life got busy, or maybe you just can't seem to stay consistent. The key is to make fitness feel natural, not forced. Start small. Instead of thinking I have to work out for an hour, think I'll move for 5 minutes. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. Motivation doesn't come before action, it comes after. The moment you begin, your brain starts rewarding you with energy and positivity. Celebrate every little victory. Maybe you walked an extra block, stretched instead of scrolling, or drank more water today. Progress is progress. And remember, your journey is yours alone. Don't compare your pace or your body to anyone else's. The goal isn't perfection, it's improvement. Every step, every choice, every movement adds up. Let's look at some easy ways to fit movement into daily life without even realizing it. Turn on your favorite music and dance for 10 minutes while cooking dinner. Take the stairs every chance you get. Park a little farther from the store. If you work at a desk, set a reminder to stand up every hour, stretch, and walk around. These little bursts of movement wake up your muscles, improve circulation, and help you avoid that sluggish feeling after sitting too long. Movement isn't something you schedule, it's something you live. For families, staying active together can be a great bonding experience. Go for evening walks, play outdoor games, ride bikes, or even try short fitness challenges as a group. For couples, doing simple workouts together builds motivation and accountability. For older adults, gentle activities like gardening, swimming, or light yoga are perfect. Remember, it's not about how intense it looks, it's about how consistent it feels. Now, let's talk about mindset because true fitness starts there. So many people think they can't change because of their age, their schedule, or their past failures. But the truth is, your body listens to your mind. If you believe you're too old or too busy, your body will agree. But if you tell yourself, I can start now, and I can feel better, your body will respond. Fitness is not a punishment for what you ate or how you look. It's a celebration of what your body can do. That shift in mindset makes all the difference. Let's imagine your typical day. You wake up, drink a glass of water, stretch for 5 minutes, and take a short walk. You eat a healthy breakfast, maybe oats with fruit or eggs with whole grain toast. During the day, you move more, take stairs, walk during calls, or do 10 squats while waiting for your coffee. In the evening, you unwind with a few stretches or a short home workout. Before bed, you breathe deeply, stay grateful, and rest well. None of this requires a gym, yet every habit here strengthens you physically and mentally. And speaking of home workouts, let's go over a simple one that fits any age or fitness level. Start with marching in place for 1 minute to warm up. Then do 10 squats, 10 wall push-ups, 10 side leg raises, and hold a plank for 10 seconds. Rest, and repeat 2 more times. That's it, 15 minutes. Full body movement, no equipment. If you do that 3 to 4 times a week, you'll start noticing more strength, better balance, and improved energy. The beauty of no gym fitness is flexibility. You're not tied to a schedule or location. You can move anytime, anywhere, in your living room, your backyard, even while traveling. If you're watching this right now and thinking, I don't know where to start with one thing, one habit, one stretch, one walk. The momentum will build naturally. One of the most powerful things about staying fit without a gym is the connection you build with your own body. You start to understand your limits, your strengths, your breath. You begin to listen to your body instead of forcing it. That's when fitness stops feeling like work and starts feeling like self-care. When you move your body, you're telling it, I care about you. I want you to last. Now, let's touch on something that often gets ignored: mental health. Exercise is one of the best natural antidepressants on the planet. Moving your body releases endorphins, improves focus, and reduces anxiety. You don't need high-intensity workouts to feel the benefits. Even a 15-minute walk or stretch can lift your mood. Pair that with a bit of sunlight, deep breathing, and gratitude, and you've got a recipe for emotional balance that costs nothing. Let's say you're watching this, and you're in your 20s. Your goal right now should be building habits that last. Move daily, eat whole foods, and stay consistent. Don't chase extreme diets or quick fixes. They burn out fast. If you're in your 40s or 50s, focus on strength and flexibility. Your body recovers a bit slower, but your endurance and wisdom are higher. And if you're in your 60s or beyond, prioritize mobility, balance, and gentle resistance. You can absolutely get stronger at any age. It's scientifically proven that even people in their 70s and 80s can build muscle through consistent movement. Age is not the limit. Inactivity is another key factor in fitness. Without the gym is recovery. You don't need to push hard every day. In fact, overtraining can do more harm than good. Listen to your body. If you feel sore, rest. If you feel stiff, stretch. Active recovery, like walking or light yoga, is perfect. Remember, progress happens during recovery. Muscles rebuild, energy resets, and your motivation grows stronger. Nutrition plays a huge role in that recovery too. Make sure you're eating enough protein. It's what your muscles use to repair and grow. Great sources are eggs, chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, or Greek yogurt. Combine that with healthy fats like avocado, nuts, or olive oil, and complex carbs like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. The goal isn't restriction, it's nourishment. Think of food as fuel, not guilt. Another tip that works wonders: stay mindful while you eat. Put your phone away, chew slowly, and listen to your hunger signals. When you eat with awareness, you naturally eat less and digest better. Now, let's talk about time. One of the most common excuses is, I don't have time. But here's the truth: you don't need a full hour to stay fit. You just need consistency. Even 10 minutes a day can change your body and mind over time. Replace the I don't have time mindset with I'll make time. Wake up 10 minutes earlier, move during TV breaks, or stretch before bed. Those little pockets of effort add up into big results. Staying fit without a gym also means staying creative. If you're at home, turn chores into workouts. Cleaning, gardening, or rearranging furniture burns more calories than you think. If you have kids, play with them actively. They'll love it, and you'll both benefit. If you're older, focus on joint-friendly moves, seated exercises, gentle stretches, and walks are perfect. Adapt fitness to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Finally, remember that fitness isn't a destination, it's a relationship. It's not about chasing perfection, it's about showing up for yourself daily. There will be days when you feel tired or unmotivated, and that's okay. Rest when you need to, but never quit entirely. Fitness is forgiving. You can always come back, and your body will thank you every single time you do. So, how do you stay fit without the gym at any age? You move with intention, you eat with care, you rest with purpose, and you live with gratitude. You realize that fitness isn't just about muscles or looks, it's about freedom. The freedom to move, to breathe easily, to play, to explore, to enjoy your life fully. You don't need machines to achieve that. You just need commitment and self-respect. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: your body is the only home you'll ever truly live in. Treat it kindly, move it daily, feed it well, and let it rest. Whether you're 25 or 75, it's never too late to start, and it's never too early to care. The best time to begin is now, and the best place is wherever you are. So start today. Take that walk, stretch those arms, drink that water, and remind yourself that you're doing it not just to live longer, but to live better. Because in the end, fitness isn't about the gym, it's about life. And life, your life, deserves the healthiest, happiest version of you.